Yeah, just a little follow-up on my cuckoo clock. Finally got it adjusted so it's keeping somewhat perfect time. It's a process. It takes a week, maybe a little bit longer. And the way you adjust the time on this cuckoo clock is that maple leaf on the pendulum slides. So if it's running, let me get this right here. If it's running fast, you slide the leaf down just a little bit. If it's running slow, you slide it up. That makes the pendulum swing faster or slower, and that's how you adjust the time. And it's a process. There's no rhyme or reason to it. You can't do any kind of measuring. It's a process. But I don't have video of it cuckooing, but she does cuckoo. A little bird pops out like it's supposed to. And I think when I cleaned and lubed it, it solved all of its issues. So, pretty good deal. That's all for this one. Thank you.